we are from JK Memorial Public School, village Odda, district Sirsa, Haryana.
We have created a project based on hydraulic lift.
Hydraulic lift is a mechanical device that uses the Pascal law to terminate a force from a small area to large area, and therefore force to light heavy objects like car and truck etc. on passing station, and also used at transportation site.
According to Pascal's law, the external static pressure is applied on an incompressible liquid is distributed or transmitted evenly throughout the liquid in all directions.
Now I am going to discuss about the construction of hydraulic lift. Let we have two containers, container E and G, filled with an incompressible fluid and connected to each other with the pipe C. Let the area of cross section of container E and G is a smaller area and larger area respectively.
Now we are discuss about the working of hydraulic lift.
Let us apply a force on the container E, then we know pressure equal to force upon area.
Then according to Pascal law, this pressure is applied to the fluid in all directions without damage, such that force is equal to pressure into area. Thus the force applied on piston B is greater than the applied force on piston A.
That means a greater force is applied on a container B, and so the vehicle load is lifted.
Now we are going to discuss about the application of hydraulic lift.
Automotive industries hydraulic lift for lift to help vehicles repairing, change oils and change tires.
Construction industries. In construction industries, hydraulic lifts are used for lifting materials like steel beam and concrete panels.
Warehousing. In warehousing, hydraulic lifts are key in warehouses for making truck loading, unloading more efficient.
Entertainment industry. In entertainment industry, hydraulic lifts are used for stage setup, airing performance, and smoothly rising or lowering performance.
Manufacturing industries, it is employed for lifting heavy machineries and equipment.
Thank you.